We have the 2017 Audi Sq5. Guys, this was the last year that they made it where it's supercharged. Now they all come turbocharged. I didn't know that until this morning. All right, what we did was a muffler delete back here. We removed that muffler. The customer actually chopped off his own muffler like 2 days ago and came in after he liked the sound. He's like, all right, look, I could weld it in my driveway, but I want to bring it to G Exhaust, make sure they do it right. So we chopped off the muffler, got rid of it, replaced it with some pipe, quad chrome tips. Those things look really hard compared to the stock ones right there. Guys, we have the largest selection of tips in all of America, and you can get any tip you want at gexhaust.com. So check out the links in the description. We're gonna bring it down and let you guys hear it. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below about the car. Also, if you want some merch, you can go to muffyd.com. That's also in the links in the description. All right, let me know what you think. What?